How do you save a web page in a Safari on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on Foxtecc, consider subscribing for more videos and tutorials like this one. Now, it depends on how you want to save the website, because you have the ability to just open it within the Safari, click on the three dots next to the URL, like this, and you can add it to your bookmarks or add bookmark to and choose a specific folder, right? So you can go to the favorites or start a brand new folder, and that's kind of how you can save it for later access, but it still stays within the Safari. So you can always just go to, tap on the three dots, go to bookmarks, and all of the web pages which you have stored are going to be here. So all of the bookmarks, folders, everything. But there is also the reading list, which you might be interested in, where you can tap the button next to the URL like that, tap on the three dots, and you can save it to your favorites, or you can also add it to the reading list. And that's a bit of a different thing, because the reading list is like a list of websites which you want to return back to somehow or someone later, right? But once you read that web page, it's going to be deleted from the list, right? So it's like a place where you save articles or something, you read them, and then the web page is gone. So that is a different thing. However, you can also just save the websites outside of Safari by clicking the screenshot, which is used by the volume up and the power button, and switching from the screen view to the full page view, and you can save that as a PDF to your Files app. So you kind of like export a web page from Safari, and you'll be able to access it offline, and it's not within the web browser anymore, as it's a PDF. So that is how it works. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up for tutorials and similar content in the future, and I'll see you later.